Hello, today I bought a new toy, the GoPro HERO7 Black edition. I don't have any GoPros, so this is my first one. I see videos done with this camera. It was amazing videos, amazing stability. And now I'm going to unbox it and do some videos about it with it. How can we unbox this? This is a quick unboxing, I think, because I am filming this with the tablet. I don't have cameras besides this one and the smartphone one. How the hell can we open this? Must be a way of opening this without damaging the box, destroying this. I bought this SD card, SanDisk Extreme Micro SD, 32 gigabytes. It's not much, but it's okay. How can I open this? It's like this. Put this thing, and we are in. Okay. I don't know if you are seeing this well. Oh shit. I never opened it. Ah, here we go. Nice. Look at that. Empty box. Yes. USB cable. USB 3.0, I think, because it's blue. A battery and more stuff. How do we take this off? Oh, the manual is here. Okay, all that stuff. Instructions. Quick guys. Here says remove what? Maybe unscrewing this. I have sport cameras, but the cheaper ones. This is my first GoPro. Okay. Now I get the camera. Nice. Okay. Okay. And this is it. GoPro Hero Black 7. I get this too, this shorty, to go around with the camera. So I'm gonna put the battery charge if it's necessary and try it. Okay, let's see it. Okay, so let's check the menus on the GoPro Hero Black 7 Black. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's see if it works. Yes, it works. I am getting problems in some resolutions in 4K, for example. I think in 60 frames per second because of this codec, the HAVC codec. I can read and play these files in my computer, but the editing program are not accepting these files. I am not going to tell all the functions on this camera, but some of them. When you slide these videos, I recommend to use ProTune on. With ProTune on, you can alter the different settings on the shutter, on white balance, the ISO, the sharpness, color, raw audio, and all that stuff. Mics, got 3 mics, wind, auto, and stereo. For example, the color, GoPro color is the normal color, and the flat is like the D-Log on DJI drones and P-Log on Parrot and Afi drones. I don't use the sound. The camera beeps because I don't want to attract people to watch. And this is used for when you wet the camera, when the camera is on the water or something. Lock the screen. Okay. Reset, format the SD card. Format. SD card is empty to reuse again. Okay, pressing once here, you can choose photo mode, time lapse, or video mode on the power button. Here it gives the info of the resolution, disk space, battery, power, all that stuff. You can set the voice command on or off. I don't use this because I could accidentally turn off the camera or stop recording. And the commands are here. Where are you? For example, here are all the commands. Anyway, let me try some voice commands. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn on. This is working. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, stop recording. Nice. Let me see. GoPro highlights. GoPro, take a photo. Yes. GoPro short burst. Okay. GoPro start time lapse. Working very well. GoPro stop time lapse. GoPro video mode, GoPro photo mode, GoPro time-lapse mode. What happened? GoPro on. GoPro on. GoPro turn on. What the hell? Okay. GoPro burst mode. GoPro video mode. GoPro turn off. Okay, it works very well. So in 4K at 60 frames per second, I'm going to say goodbye and thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, like, dislike. See you.